Today's assignment, you're going to use the tables that have been created on each one of the sheets to create an appropriate graph. You're going to start with the bar graph. Note that there are different sheets for the different graphs. So we have bar graph on this sheet, then a double bar graph, a line graph, and a pie graph. All right, I want you to make sure that you have appropriate charts that represent your data well. There's multiple options for you to choose from in the chart category. You can see that there's all kinds of choices. Just make sure that the one that you choose represents your data well. Okay, and then you can modify it to change the colors and the look of your chart once you have it done. I'd like you to do that. That is part of this project. So don't just leave it in the format that it defaults to. I want to see editing. To do this, all you have to do is highlight the region that you want in your chart, and then you can insert your chart. This one's supposed to be a bar graph, so I can choose a bar graph. Okay, and then format it how you want it to be formatted.